Investment property balance sheets. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to increase your revenue and how to decrease your expenses in order to optimize and increase the cash flow and the profitability of your investment property. Consider turning your property into a short-term versus a long-term tenancy. Typically, an Airbnb or a short-term strategy will bring in a lot more revenue, a lot more income than would a long-term tenant who sticks around for a couple of years. The next one, consider adding on things like storage or implementing a charge for parking, coin laundry, various methods like this in order to bring in more revenue. Consider renting out your garage as well is another one to increase additional revenue. Another big one we've got a lot of investors now starting to do with the passing of the new bill, increasing density inside of the rental unit. For example, you're adding a garden suite, which will bring in more revenue. You will consider turning a single family home into a duplex, or you could even convert it now to a triplex or even to a fourplex, and then add a garden suite. So increasing density brings in more revenue. Another thing some of our investors are doing is taking any extra cash they might have in a bank account or any unused equity inside of their properties and lending this out privately. Typically, private lending has its own risks, but they pay in that range of 10 to 14%.